The Mexco diamond tile drill range has been developed to provide for fast, precise drilling, ease of use, reduced mess, increased lifetime and a professional finish, when drilling multiple holes into a wide range of ultra-hard materials. For the drill bits to work effectively, the user must follow the instructions provided. If however, you find the tile drill not performing as expected, then it is likely a simple fix is required. Common potential issues are incorrect drill and drill settings, debris lodged inside the barrel, drill bits overheating, reduced lifespan, and incorrect fitting on an angle grinder. To resolve these issues, I will explain simple fixes for each scenario, to allow correct use of our diamond tile drill range. Incorrect drill and drill settings. These drill bits like to be drilled fast. The faster the better. Therefore, to achieve maximum performance, we would recommend using a high-speed drill when using a hex-fit drill bit, and ideally an angle grinder when using an M14 fit tile drill bit. For maximum performance, we recommend using our hex-fit tile drill bits with a high-speed corded drill with speeds of 1800 RPM or faster. Also make sure the drive direction setting is set to forward, not reverse. If the drill is equipped with a hammer action setting, this feature should be switched to the off position. Debris lodged inside the barrel. Occasionally, the tile drill will gather waste material inside the barrel, which can clog and hinder performance. Periodically remove the bit from the hole, and gently tap the side of the bit to remove any obstructions. Once the barrel is clear, continue to drill. Drill bits overheating. When drilling into the material, it is important to let the tile drill do the work, with minimum pressure being applied. These tile drills mill, they do not drill. Applying excessive pressure will not improve performance, instead it will cause the bit to overheat when administering unnecessary demand on the diamond tip. This will shorten the life of the drill bit. Although our diamond drill bits are self-cooled, and strong enough to handle the toughest of applications without the need to apply any water, we recommend periodically removing the bit from the hole to allow for cooling. Remember, these drill bits mill. They do not drill. Reduced lifespan. Another consequence associated with excessive pressure being applied to the bit, is a reduction in lifespan. Too much pressure on the head of the drill bit will damage the diamonds around the tip, causing them to smooth over. This will effectively reduce the life of the drill bit. A common misconception is that the drill bit is still workable because the diamonds on the side of the barrel look fine. Unfortunately, these diamonds merely exist to form a precise hole, once the drill bit starts to penetrate the material being drilled. It is worth noting that these drill bits are designed to mill the surface material, so care must be taken once the initial material has been fully penetrated. Incorrect fitting on an angle grinder. When fitting a tile drill bit to an angle grinder, it is important to remove the flange set before screwing the drill bit on. Make sure the drill bit is on the angle grinder tightly before you begin to drill into the material. Correctly fit the drill bit to the appropriate machine. This will be either an angle grinder, or a high-speed drill. Ensure all forms of percussion or hammer action are turned off. To begin drilling, place the machine at a slight angle. Drill until the tile drill bit starts to penetrate the material. Once the hole has started to form, bring the machine up into the upright position, and continue to drill without applying excessive pressure, gently moving the machine at a 15-degree lateral rotation. Periodically remove the bit from the cut to allow for cooling, and removal of any debris buildup. Only use for drilling the tile, not the material behind it. Use appropriate drill bit following full penetration of the tile. Why did my tile drill bit not drill 50 holes? If all advice and guidance has been observed, and you have followed instructions correctly, then the tile drill bit will drill more than 50 holes. Can these drill bits be used to drill into glass? We do not advise using our tile drill bits to drill into glass. Why did my tile crack when using these tile drill bits? When using our tile drill bits, make sure hammer action is switched off. Do not apply excessive pressure when drilling into the material. Why did the tile drill bit loosen within the chuck? Make sure you switch the drive direction setting to forward position, not reverse. How can I prevent the drill bit from scratching the tile when I begin to drill? Place the machine at an angle when you start to drill into the tile. For more information, and to watch other Mexco explainer videos, head over to our website. When choosing your next diamond tile drill, make sure it's a Mexco drill bit. Demand the best.